This is a full video tutorial on how to use Moonshot on Dexscreener platform. If you're looking for the next 100x meme coin, look no further, because why? The opportunity Moonshot is presenting to crypto investors or meme coin traders is a lot, whereby that you can easily find the next trending meme coin and buy it in a very low market cap and make so much money once that particular meme coin hits the crypto community. I'm talking about, let's say the meme coin is now trending on Twitter, on other cryptocurrency community platform that we have in crypto space. So I'm going to be showing you all that. If today is your first time seeing my video, please like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. And as well, if you don't know how to use Dexscreener, the link will be in the description below. I also made a video on how you can use Dexscreener step by step. Now this is it. All you need to do is just to go to Dexscreener. As you can see, dexscreener.com. If you click on it, you find yourself here. Now you come over to the menu bar where you can actually select different kind of network. As you can see here, you can actually see Moonshot. You click on it and give it a little bit time to load up. You can see what it says: discover the next trending token before everyone else. Guys, this is one of the opportunities you have with this Moonshot, whereby that you can actually see cryptocurrency in a very tiny market cap and it could become something huge. It's actually the same with pump.fun. For people who don't know pump.fun, Moonshot is almost the same thing with pump.fun. Now this is where you can actually click to see how it works. Now here, if you click on it, if you want to create your own token, you can actually create your own token by clicking on this button. So let's click on how does it work. Moonshot is the best place to discover and launch the next trending token, meaning that you can actually find meme coins in this platform and you can actually launch your own coin. I'm still going to show you how to do that, but this video is not how to create your own meme coin in Moonshot. As you can see, in Moonshot, it's all about fair launch, no pre-sale, no insiders, and all the tokens that will be launching on this Moonshot will have a maximum cap of 1 billion. And ownership is renounced and immutable, fully audited smart contract. Now, this is amazing because why? So many developers, once they create cryptocurrency or once they create meme coin, what they usually do is to dump it on retails. This is how people keep losing a lot of money. But such kind of a thing cannot happen with Moonshot, because why? Moonshot have taken time to be able to sieve out all of this issue people are having, which is buying meme coin that if you buy it tomorrow, the next day you are pulled. Some of them doesn't even take the next day. The next few minutes you are 100% rug pulled, and you can buy and sell at any time. Now this is why people love Moonshot. Let's say for example any token is launched on Moonshot, and once it reaches 432 SOL, which is equivalent to $92,000 or equivalent to 25 ETH, that particular meme coin that I've actually getting to this milestone will automatically be migrated to Meteora or Radium, so people can actually buy it on these dexes. As you can see, once market cap reach 432 SOL, which is equivalent to $92,000 or 25 ETH, remaining tokens and liquidity migrate to Dex, Meteora or Radium, that is for Solana network, and Uniswap for Base. Currently, you can actually trade meme coins that is created on Solana network and also on Base network here in Moonshot, and it's just amazing. And at the same time, if you launch your token in Meteora, you're going to earn reward, which is liquidity pool reward for the rest of your life. This is amazing. People can actually make consistent income every single day just by people buying and selling meme coin. But this is not a video on how to do that, but these are some of the benefits you can actually gain just by launching your token on Moonshot and launching it on Meteora Dex. You can actually earn reward for the rest of your life. So let's go back to Moonshot to see everything there. As you can see, Moonshot has landed on Base. Now Base is another network, which is Ethereum layer 2 network. It's called Base, one of the Ethereum layer 2 network. As you can see here, these are all the trending tokens. You can see right there, these are all the trending tokens on Moonshot. Now if you click on all chain, at the moment right now we only have Solana and Base. Maybe in the future other networks will be added. It's just the same thing. So we only have Solana and Base currently that you can actually interact with in Moonshot. Now if you on this trending, you can see this trending is showing a yellow sign or a yellow color. Now this is where you actually see all the trending cryptocurrencies. These are all the trending cryptocurrency. Most of them has not gotten to the $92,000 as you can see. This one is 69,000, 53,000. This one is 56,000. This is 58,000. Now the market cap or the trading volume has not gotten to the 92,000, which is equivalent to 432 Solana before they can be migrated to Radium or Motera, so you can actually buy it on the dexes. You can actually scroll down to see other trending meme coins that is on Moonshot. As you can see, look at this meme coin, which is Vance, which is the vice president of America, vice president elect, not yet the vice president yet. You can see the trading volume is 13K. Now all you need to do is just to do your research, understand the risk of trading meme coins, look for any meme coin you will like or you want to take advantage of. You can as well just buy it from here. Now you can actually see, if you click on top, you see top meme coin that is currently on Moonshot. These are all of them right here. As you can see, this is baby Bitcoin. You can see all of them. This is, I will still show you how to buy. I just want to show you how this interface works. Now if you click on Rising, you see so many Rising meme coins. These are meme coins that's getting a lot of momentum, or meme coin getting a lot of volumes, or meme coin getting a lot of attractions. You see all here. This particular one, Cat Court, you can see 43K volume. All these meme coin right now are just rising. It's getting a lot of attraction, it's getting a lot of volume. So let's check on new. If you click on new, this is where you see new meme coin that is being launched on the Moonshot platform. Once you click on it, you allow it to load. These are the meme coins that is currently on the new. These are newly launched meme coin. Most of them are launched 2 minutes ago. You can see this particular one, which is Mr. K. Paul. Now this is the fight between J. Paul and Mike Tyson. People have already started creating meme coins already. It's crazy what you can actually see in the crypto community. So these are all the meme coin. As you can see, this one is Kamala Tears. They're actually making mockery of Kamala losing the election. Now you can click on the finalize. This is where you see the meme coin that's already made it to Motera or Radium. For me, if I want to engage in this, I will focus on this finalize, because if you go for trending or rising or new meme coins, it's kind of like carry a huge risk. In my opinion, you should go for the ones that is already finalized, that has already meet the criteria of being launched on dexes. So let's say, for example, you click on this Charlie. Let's tap on it for you to see that it's almost the same thing with checking out any other meme coins that is created on Solana network or any other cryptocurrency network that we have in Dexscreener. Very simple. If you want to buy this, let's say for example you like this particular cryptocurrency or this meme coin, just scroll all the way down. You could just connect your wallet and purchase it. You know, this particular meme coin makes sense because for me, I like to buy a meme coin that's already have a massive push, a retracement. Then I started buying it. This is when I like to buy meme coins to be able to reduce my risk and get into something that could be very massive in the future. As you can see, this particular meme coin was just created, 1 day ago. Makes a lot of sense. For me to buy this, all I need to do is just click on buy. Once you click on buy, you connect your wallet. You connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener. If you have Phantom wallet, you just connect it and buy it. If you already started interacting with meme coin in Radium or any other DEX, is so simple. Or you could just copy the contract address by scrolling all the way down. Here is the contract address. Once you copy the contract address, you go to Radium or Motera and buy it by yourself. So simple. So this is how to use or find meme coins that just launch on Moonshot. This is a step-by-step video. I believe this video is helpful. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.